guys, I'm Richard Stedman. I've motorcycled all over the world, and 3 years ago I came to India and bought a Harley and joined Hogs. My association with Seven Islands has given me an opportunity to meet fantastic friends, explore India and make wonderful memories. Congratulations Seven Islands, you guys rock.
My name is Chris Franzen. I'm the General Manager of the Grand Hyatt here in Mumbai, and here is a big congratulations on the anniversary of Seven Island Harley Davidson. Wish you nothing but the very best. It's a pleasure working together with you. I think we're great partners, and there is nothing we wish more than success to you, the Seven Islands team in Mumbai, and any Harley rider. All the best. Keep the shiny side up. Take care.
Hello friend, I am Sandeep Ganpat from Mauritius Home and associate member of Seven Island Navy Mumbai. I was there in December 2019 for EOI 40 and 2020 for IHO. I met lots of brothers and I enjoyed. So I seize this opportunity to wish Seven Island a happy anniversary. Take care.